Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Charlestown, local and long-distance movers near me. In Charlestown, people believe in 3 Movers for our high-quality moving services. We provide a complete package wherein we can handle the moving from scratch. You need to schedule the day of moving and leave the rest to us. The team will arrive at your place and start packing the belongings as per the safety guidelines. The furniture will be duly disassembled, wrapped in safety sheets, and put into boxes when needed. Then the team will load the items into the moving truck and checklist everything. You can also avail of auto transportation and save fuel and car repair expenses. Usually, people think that they don't need a professional mover when moving to a nearby locality. Whereas the shifting process is still the same, you will still be required to pack, load, shift, unload, and resettle your belongings. Moreover, handling delicate and heavy items is not as easy without any prior experience. So it's better to hire professional movers like 3 Movers. Our movers are trained, have the required equipment, and years of experience in handling all types of products. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Charlestown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.